may tray sa ibabaw.
Ito kami nanonood kami ng video nung Christmas. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Mitero kasi ika-9th day novena na ng lolo ko. So yun, see you later. It's the 9th day novena for our Lolo Ating, and this is what we have. Pansit, lumpia Shanghai, humba, fish fillet. Hi girls. Oh, okay. Oh, ako mong lula, oh, da. Hayag kayo. It's July 28, 2017 at papunta ako ngayon ng LBC para i-send na itong mga giveaways. And sorry, wala akong makeup kasi basta I'm here na at LBC kasi pinadala ko na yung giveaways na pinanalunan nila I Heart from IG and Macdonaldin from YouTube. So yun na sila. They're packing already. See ya! So katatapos ko lang na-send yung giveaways nyo guys or yung prizes nyo. And I am about to go home kasi magpo-4 na at kukunin ko yung anak ko si Damien sa school. So wala akong makeup ngayon dahil nagmamadali ako lumabas ng bahay. So ayun lang, bye! And welcome back to another vlog. Today is July 29 and I'm about to go to... Bakit ba ako nag-English? Basta papunta ako ng Rustans, Ayala Rustans kasi meron silang event from NARS. And my friends or my co-YouTubers or Cebu vloggers are also there. So, ayun, pupunta tayo ngayon doon. And I think I am not going to wear this siguro or let's see. Basta, punta na ako doon. Yung event magsa-start pala ng 3 PM but gusto kong pumunta doon ng maaga. So, ayan lang. See you doon.
One of the country's famous makeup artists, he graduated with a bachelor's degree major in entrepreneurship. He started his career back in 2010 doing makeup for magazine covers, editorials, advertisements, and fashion shows. He joined the pool of affiliated makeup artists of NARS Philippines in 2015. He is also the go-to artist for celebrities like Nadine Lustre, Sarah Labati, Yasin Pressman, R.C. Munoz, and Andrea Brillantes, and a lot more. So indeed, his God-given talent is undeniable. We are honored to have him here with us today to share his field of expertise. Let us all welcome Jelly Yuranyo.
So, good afternoon everyone.
close. Okay? Like, look. Can you please say hi to my vlog? Jozam Diaries.
Hello po sa mga subscriber ni Jozam.
Yes.
Hello, sawadee ka.
Actually, kanina pa ako nakauwi ng bahay. And kumain lang kami doon sa Combo Meals or sa 24 hours na malapit dito sa amin. And here is Damien again playing because it's Saturday. And anyway, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa mga nakasama ko doon sa NARS. So, ayun nga. So anyway, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa mga nakasama ko doon sa Rustans, yung workshop ng NARS. And hello kay Sis Chinky again. Nakita na ulit tayo. And to Sis Maika, Cindy from Cindy in the City, kay Lord from Lord of Beauty, kay sino pa? Nessie, Grace, sino pa ba nandun? Kay Queen TV. So ayun lang. Anyway, I am going to close this vlog now. Thank you so much again for watching. Hope you like this video. And comment lang kayo kung ano yung mga suggestions nyo na mga videos. And also, please don't forget to subscribe na din sa aking channel. And please click as well on the notification bell. Bye! Good night! Damien, say bye.
Bye.
Bye guys. See you on my next video.
3, 2, 1. Now put your hands in the